When you step on the gas and it's wide open throttle, the turbo is spinning as fast as possible and is trying to stuff as much air into the system as possible. That creates a very high airflow and a very high air pressure. When the throttle plate closes, all of that high airflow has nowhere to go, but the turbo is still spinning and trying to stuff more air into the piping. When this happens, the only way out is to go through the turbo and out of the intake. The compressor blades are designed to stuff air into the system, not let it out. When air starts pushing it against the compressor blades start chopping the air off, and that creates a very significant sound. As soon as the pressure reduces a little bit, the turbo tries to do what it's supposed to do and tries to stuff more air into the system. So the pressure again rises, and again some part of the air is chopped off and let out of the intake. Every stew is some amount of air being chopped off and being released. First stew is always going to be the loudest because that is when the most pressure is being released. This becomes a loop until all of the excess air pressure is released. This extra stress causes the bearings and the compressor wheel to fail a lot sooner than they're supposed to.